You know, a lot of this high calorie food can be delicious, but it also won't be as filling as some of your lower calorie, high volume food. And if you get used to eating in a high volume way, a lot of times you go out to eat, and the reason why you overeat is because your appetite is so strong compared to when you eat the high volume foods versus the low volume, high calorie density foods. So just an interesting perspective to have as a result of being in a calorie deficit for so long and then doing maintenance and then suddenly actually going out and eating the way most people eat all the time and just having that epiphany and that kind of realization. Today is day 1 of vacation, but day 4 of maintenance, I think. I don't know, I'm not really keeping track because the days don't matter as much as the weeks. But anyway, we're on vacation in Oceanside, California right now, hanging out. I'm sure you can probably already hear the music that's playing in the background. There's a little patio over here. And you probably can't see it that well, but there's a guy down there playing guitar. It's a Thursday night, so it's only like 7:30, so the night's actually starting to get a little bit more lively. But let's talk a little bit about today's approach for nutrition. So being that I'm on maintenance, I have more calories to play with, and so I'm not as concerned about going over, but I still wanted to try to make as conscious a decision as I could to minimize any sort of excess that might just come along with eating out. So the first thing I did today is I did intermittent fasting. I kind of was on the fence of whether I should have protein or not, but I decided, you know what, I don't really need it. So let's just go ahead and intermittent fast until lunch, which worked out perfectly because then we went to a burger spot down the road and it was phenomenal. I got a bison burger, had a little bit of the sweet potato fries, but mostly just had the burger and the side salad that I got just for some extra veggie. But I was leaving a little bit hungry, and that's okay. That's kind of part of not always getting a filling out food type of meal, but I have protein bars, so I brought some of those just to help, take the edge off, so to speak. Then we went to the beach, which was a lot of fun. You get a lot of steps on vacation, at least we do. Like during the summer, we're at the beach. My daughter is 3, she loves to run around and play. It's really easy to get a lot of steps. So I don't really worry about being inactive. I worry mostly just about my appetite getting the best of me and me overeating. And then for dinner, we had some tacos. Again, the tacos were great. So anyway, great first day of vacation. Looking forward to day 2. I'll make sure to get plenty of food videos and food pictures and share what's going on during a vacation. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you in the next video.